today we will learn about 3-digit number, that is, today we will discuss about the numbers up to 1000. So, this is 100. This is called 100. This is called 100 and 100 comes after 99, but 99 is a 2-digit number and this is a 1, 2, 3. So this number has 3 digits, so this is a 3-digit number. So you can see that 3-digit number starts after 99 because 99 is the 2-digit number and 100 is the 3-digit number. So and after 99 100 comes, so 3-digit number starts after 99. আমরা দেখলাম যে 99 একটা 2-digit নাম্বার, বাট 100 একটা 3-digit নাম্বার। আবার 100 আসে 99 এর পরে, সো 3-digit নাম্বার স্টার্ট হচ্ছে 99 এর পর থেকে। So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 99 is the largest 2-digit number. Okay, 99 is the largest 2-digit number and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number because 99 is 2-digit and after 99 100 come, 100 is 3-digit and 3-digit number starts from 100. 3-digit number start হচ্ছে 100 থেকে, so 100 will be the smallest 3-digit number and 99 is the largest 2-digit number. So you can see here this number is 10. Ones, tens. So this is tens. How many ones are there in 1? How many ones are there in 110? This is 110 or 10. So how many ones are there in 110? There are how many ones? 10 ones. 110 means 10 ones. Okay, 10. So if I remove this place, so we will get 10 ones. So 110 means 10 ones. So like that, in 100 there are ones, tens, hundreds. So 100, that is 10 tens or 100 ones. 100 ones or 10 tens or 100. তাহলে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে 1 tens সমান 10 ones হচ্ছে। So like that 100 equal to 10 tens and equal to 100 ones. Okay. So now I will teach you how can you write a 3-digit number. A 3-digit number can be written in 2 forms. Any number can be written in 2 forms, such as number names in words and numeral form in figures. আমরা যে কোনো নাম্বারকে, যে কোনো ডিজিটের নাম্বার, যে কোনো নাম্বারকে আমরা দুটো ফর্মে লিখতে পারি। একটা লিখতে পারি words form, that is আমরা নাম্বার নেমসটা লিখতে পারি, and the other form is numeral form, that is আমরা ফিগারে লিখতে পারি। So if I write 10, this is called the numeral form, and if I write the number name of this number is 10, so this is called the words form. This is called words form. This is called numerals form. So when we will write the number in figures, that is called numeral form, and when we will write the number in words, that is the number name of the number. Okay. So first we will learn how can you write the number name of 3-digit number. কিভাবে একটা 3-digit নাম্বারের নাম্বার নেমটা আমরা বলতে পারি। So we can write the number name of 3-digit number using place value chart, that is 100, tens and ones. So now first of all we will learn the place value chart of any 3-digit number. আমরা যে কোনো একটা 3-digit নাম্বারের place value chart করব। So as you know that every number has different digit and every digit has different place. 2 digit cannot be written in one place together. আমরা যে কোনো দুটো ডিজিটকে একটা প্লেসের মধ্যে লিখতে পারবো না, তাহলে প্রত্যেকটা ডিজিটের জন্য different প্লেস আছে. So how many digits are there in 3-digit number? There are 3 digits in a 3-digit number. So that is there are 3 places in 3-digit number. একটা 3-digit number 3 number of digit থাকে. So 3 number of digit এর জন্য 3 place থাকে. So the places of any 3-digit numbers are hundreds, tens and ones. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. So we can write the number name of any 3-digit number using this place value chart: hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, so let's take some example and let's write the number name of the numbers. First number is 132. First we will write this number in the place value chart. 2 will be written, so always we will write the places from right to left. আমরা right থেকে left এ start করব and always start হবে ones থেকে. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay, and a 3-digit number has 2 parts. First part is 100 and second part is tens and ones together. তাহলে একটা 3-digit number দুটো part আছে. First part consists 100 and the second part consists tens and ones together. And we will write the place from right to left. আমরা place লেখা start করব right থেকে left এ. So this is how many hundreds are there? There are 100. 100. And the second part, now we will write the second part. So in second part, tens and ones together. So 3 tens and 2 ones together make 32. So 132 will be the number name of this number. Next one, 134. First we will write the place of the digit: ones, tens, hundred. Then we will break this number into 2 parts. In the first part there are hundreds and in the second part there are tens and ones together. So in the first part there are hundreds. So how can we write this number name? So first we will write this first part. আমরা first partটা লেখা প্রথমে শুরু করব. So আমরা place লেখা start করব right থেকে left এ and we will write the number names. When we will write the number names we will start from the left place. আমরা যখন place গুলো দিচ্ছি 1, 10, 100 তখন আমরা রাইট সাইড থেকে দেওয়া শুরু করছি, লেফটের দিকে যাচ্ছি. বাট আমরা যখন নাম্বার নেমটা লিখবো আমরা প্রথমে এখান থেকে লেখা স্টার্ট করব না, আমরা লেফট সাইড থেকে একদম এক্সট্রিম লেফট সাইডে যে ডিজিটটা আছে অ্যান্ড সেই ডিজিটের যে প্লেস সেটা থেকে লেখা স্টার্ট করব. অ্যান্ড 3-digit নাম্বারে দুটো পার্ট থাকে. ফার্স্ট পার্টে থাকে hundreds place, only 100 place একা থাকে. But in the second part there are tens and ones place together. So in the first part which we need to write 100. 100, 3 tens and 4 ones make 34. Next 782. First we will write the place 1, tens, hundreds, and then we will break the number into 2 parts. 700 and 8 tens 2 ones make 82. Okay. Now let's see the another number 160. First we will put this number into place value chart: ones, tens, hundreds. Now we need to break this number into two parts. In first part there are hundreds. So how many hundreds? 100. 100. And 6 tens and 0 ones make which number? 60. 160. Next 6, 4, 3. First we will write this number into place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. 600, 4 tens and 3 ones make 43. So the number name of this number will be 643. Next one, 201. Then we will write this number in the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now we need to break this number into two parts. 200, 01, that is 0 and 0 tens and 1 ones make 1. 0 tens and 1 ones make 1. So the number name will be 201. Okay, so this is how you can write any number name of any 3-digit number. এইভাবেই আমরা একটা যে কোনো 3-digit নাম্বারের নাম্বার নেম আমরা লিখতে পারি। ওকে, so first we will write the number into place value chart. Then we will break the number into two parts. In the first part there will be only 100 and in the second part there will be tens and ones together. এইভাবেই আমরা নাম্বার নেমটা করব। প্রথমে নাম্বারটিকে আমরা প্লেস ভ্যালু চার্ট ওয়ান্স, টেন্স, হান্ড্রেডস এ লিখে নেব। দেন আমরা কি করব, নাম্বারটিকে দুটো পার্টে ব্রেক করে দেব। ফার্স্ট পার্টে থাকবে 100 and সেকেন্ড পার্টে থাকবে tens and ones together. Then we will write the number name. Okay. Now let's understand about numeral form. That is, how can you write the number, how can you write the 3-digit number in figures? To write the number in numeral form, you will use the place value. Okay, so একটা নাম্বার 3-digit নাম্বারের নিউমেরাল ফর্ম লেখার জন্য আমাদের প্লেস ভ্যালুগুলো ইউজ করতে হবে। So first number is 129. So a 3-digit number has two parts. In the first part there are 100 and in the second part there are tens and ones together. So first we will write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. So how many hundreds? 129. That means 2 tens, 9 ones. Next one, 701. 100 tens 1. Now we need to break this number into two parts. In the first part there are 100 and in the second part there are only 1. So 700, that is 7 will be written in hundreds place. Then 1. In the second part there are 1. But there is no tens digit. তাহলে এখানে কোনো tens digit নেই. So we will write 0 in the tens and 1. 1. So 1 will be written in 1. 1 is a 1-digit number. So 1 কোথায় বসবে? 1s এ বসে গেল। And এখানে যেহেতু কোনো tens digit নেই তাহলে আমরা tens এ 0 বসালাম। Next 822. So first we will write 100 tens and ones. Then we will break this number into two parts. Then 822. So 22. Next one, 990. First we will write the place value. Then we need to break this number into two parts. 900. In the first part there are 100 and in the second part there are tens and ones together. So which number can be written in hundreds place? We need to write 9 in hundreds and 90. That is 9090. 9 tens, 0 ones. So we will write 9 in tens and 0 in ones. Okay, so this is 990. So this is how you can write the number name or numeral form of any 3-digit number. Okay, now we will do some page from your book. Okay, so in this page number is 28. you have you can see the numbers up to 200. That means here numbers are given from 101 to 200. So 101, that is 101, 102, that is 102, and you can see here a abacus. In this abacus, there are 3 columns. First column is 1, second column is tens, and third column is 100. So, in this abacus, this number have represented. So, 102. So, 2 ones, so we need to draw 2 beads in ones, and 0 10. So, we do not draw any beads in tens, and 1 is in 100. That is, we need to draw 1 bead in 100. So, you will read this number name by yourself. You have learned how can you write the number name and how can you write the number in figures. তোমরা শিখেছো যে একটু আগেই তোমরা শিখলে যে কিভাবে একটা নাম্বার নেম আমরা লিখতে পারি, বাট জাস্ট তোমরা এই নাম্বার নেমগুলো পড়বে। ওকে, সো ফ্রম 101 to 200. In the next page, there are numbers from 210 to 300. Okay, so now you will do this page. Write the numbers in order. So you need to fill the blanks. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, then 306, 307. So just like this, you will write the numbers from 301 to 400. Page number is 33. So you will complete this page from the second chapter. Okay, and you can see here a table. Complete the table. You need to complete the table. 301, 304. So after 301, 304. So here how many numbers are skipped? 301, 302, 303, 304. So here 3 numbers are skipped. So we need to count by 3s. Okay? আমরা 3 number skip করে করে number গুলো লিখব। 301, 304, then 305, 6, 7. So after 304, 307. So after 307, 308, 309, 310. So you need to write here 310. So after 310, 311, 312, 313. So we need to write here 313. So after 313, what comes? We need to skip 3 numbers. 314, 315, 316. Okay, so we need to write here 316. Then 317, 318, 319. So by skipping 3 numbers, we need to complete the table. 3টে করে নাম্বার স্কিপ করে করে এখানে টেবিলগুলো ফিল করতে হবে। ওকে, so let's do the next page. Page number is 34. You need to write the numbers from 401 to 500. Here you will write the number from 401 to 500. Now you need to complete this table. 405, then 410, then 415. So how many numbers are skipped in this pattern? 405, after 405, 406, 407, 408, 409 and 410. So 5 numbers are skipped. So after 415, which come? 416, 417, 418, 419 and then 420. So after 415, 420, then if we skip 5 number, then we will get 425, then 430, then 435. Okay, so just you will skip 5 numbers and then you will complete the table. Next page, page number is 35. So you will write the numbers from 501 to 600. So you will fill these blanks and then complete the table. Here 450, 460, 470. Here 10 numbers are skipped. So after 470, 480, then 490, then 500, 510. Okay. Then 465, 475, 408, 85, 495, 505, then 515, 525. So just like this, you will skip 10 numbers and you will complete this table. Okay. In the next page, 36 page, you will write the numbers from 601 to 700 and you need to complete this table. In this table, some numbers are skipped. Here, 3 numbers are skipped. So, you need to skip 3 numbers and you will complete this table. And in the next page, just like that, you will write the number from 701 to 800. And you will complete this table. In this table, 4 numbers are skipped. So, by skipping 4 numbers, you need to complete this table. Next page, 38. In this page, you will write the number 801 to 900. And you need to complete this table. In this table, 2 numbers are skipped. Next, you will write the number from 901 to 100 and you need to complete this table. Okay, from 961 then 964. So what here 3 numbers are skipped. So by skipping 3 numbers you need to complete this table. Okay. Now all of you open 40 page 1000. So after 999, which come? 1000 come. 1000. So this is the largest 3-digit number. And after this number, 4-digit number comes. So after 999, 1000 comes. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. So a 4-digit number has 4 places, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So if we represent this number in the abacus, then we will get like this. আমরা যদি এই নাম্বারটিকে abacus represent করি তাহলে আমরা এই abacusটা পাবো. Okay. So 999 and one more make 1000. 110 equal to 10 ones, 100 equal to 10 tens and 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. Remember this, okay? Now we need to complete 41 and 42 page. 41 and 42 page, okay? Match the following. In this column there are some number names and in this column there are some number in figures. First one, 670. So, how can we write this number in figure? 600. So, we need to write 6 in hundreds place and 70. That is 7 tens and 0 ones. So, 670 this will be the correct. 489. So, in 100, we need to write 4 and 89. That is, we need to write 8 in tens and 9 in ones. So, 489. So, where is 489? This is 489. So, we need to match with this number. Next one, 775. So, where is 775? 775 is here. 775. We need to match with this. Okay. So, just like this, you will match the number name with the correct numerals. Next, write the following number in figures. 626. So, we need to write 6 in hundreds, 2 in ones, and 2 in tens and 6 in ones. 26 means 2 tens and 6 ones. Then 213. So we need to write 2 in 100 and 13. 13 means 1 tens, 3 ones. Okay. So this is how you can write the numerals. Next, you need to write yes or no. So if the statement is correct, then you need to write yes, and if the statement is wrong, then you need to write no. Okay, 625 is written as 625. 600, so 6 will be written in hundreds. 25, so 2 is in tens and 5 is in ones. So this is correct. So you need to write here yes. Okay, next, some names are also given. You need to write the numeral form. You need to write the number in figures. Okay. So in your today's class, you have to complete from 33 to 39 and then 41 and 42 page. Okay. So today we have completed till 42 page. From your next class, we will continue from the next page. Okay. So today you need to complete from 33 to 39 and then 41 and 42 page. Okay.